Hello everyone, it's me again. It's been, 10 days since I last posted my last video. Thanks for the comments and watching and, your interactions. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. My intake on the instrument since I bought it, loving it. Absolutely loving this instrument. It is an absolute beast. Does exactly what I want. And, yeah, it's been great. But having said that, I was recording a song for the past couple of days and I came across a problem. An issue, a problem, or maybe something I'm doing wrong. I honestly don't know. I have not gone deep through it yet to analyze what's going on or even speak to Yamaha about it. But I thought I'd mention it here. Maybe someone might have seen it, might have experienced it, and can leave something in the comments just to see if I'm doing something wrong. In my head I have a solution to it, but just gonna focus on the problem for now. So recording a song with different patterns, so I'm just gonna go to pattern 1 and start playing it like this. So far so good. You will not hear it until I point it out. Right, so I played the song, as you can see the different parts, and this is what I love about the instrument. You can change the pattern, you can make anything you like by a press of a button. It changes the whole thing. Obviously, pattern 1, for example, it goes from, and pattern 2, you can change it. Obviously, it's work in progress, so still have to add the bass to it, the strings, the backing, all the rest of it. But here's the problem. Pattern 2, when I play the rhythm, focus on the hi-hat. I hope it's called hi-hat. Anyway, so focus on the like that. You hear it fine, it's coming up nicely. But when I play over it, here is the problem. Hear it out after I play over it. Hear that? It's as if it's got swallowed halfway. You hear that? It's not the hi-hat when I'm playing over it with, two hands. It's getting like swallowed or something. Maybe there's an effect there somewhere. I honestly have not digged through it. I don't know. But if anyone, can maybe share some information or, let me know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm using, what's it called? I think it's called Arabic drum. I did a category search. Yeah, I think it's called the Arabic drum set 1. And yeah, it's definitely there somewhere. Anyway, it's definitely Arabic drum set 1, if I remember correctly. The solution I'm thinking about is maybe changing the drum kit altogether to see if there's something wrong, or maybe that I can, you know, perhaps I've screwed something up in the or maybe oscillators or something. I have no idea, but you know, I don't know what you guys think. My understanding is this whole thing should play nicely without having to kind of swallow the notes when I'm playing over it. So anyway, I hope you know, it's a short video. Let me know what you think and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.